Hi everyone. New 2023 Harley-Davidson CVO models. Harley-Davidson unveils two new motorcycles in its 2023 Custom Vehicle Operations Collection, on the heels of the 120th Anniversary CVO Road Glide Limited 2023. Harley introduces the new CVO Street Glide and CVO Road Glide. Since 1999, Harley-Davidson CVO motorcycles have been a limited edition, small batch collection of Harley-Davidson motorcycles that represent the highest standards of styling, design, craftsmanship and attention to detail while delivering high performance. Over the years, Harley-Davidson designers and engineers have carefully evolved these motorcycles with incremental improvements. With the new CVO Street Glide and CVO Road Glide, Harley-Davidson goes one step further and renews the masks of the two models with additional daytime running light design elements, defining a new design for years to come. The new Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 cubic inches engines, 1982,83 cc displacement, as well as a newly developed chassis and a new infotainment system are among the already known innovations. Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide 2023. Harley-Davidson has created a real design revolution with the new CVO Street Glide for 2023. The Batwing fairing is completely new and features an evolved profile with a more curved windshield. The undercuts under the headlights are more pronounced and the turn signals are now integrated rather than externally mounted. While retaining the iconic D shape of the Batwing fairing, the silhouette and graphic outline have been modernized with updated finishes. The new fairing blends perfectly into the design and blends seamlessly with the fuel tank, side panels and saddlebags. The Omega-shaped identification light makes the new model instantly recognizable, while the turn signals are seamlessly integrated into the left and right light elements. Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide 2023. The new CVO Road Glide fairing is an aggressive update of the MY22 Shark Nose design and is integrated with the fuel tank, side panels and saddlebags. The single LED headlight has a wide, horizontal shape yet appears to be made up of two elements, reminiscent of a key feature of all previous Road Glide fairings. The official premiere of the new CVO motorcycles will take place on June 7, 2023. Details about the new models will be announced then. We look forward to the official premiere and keep you up to date. Thanks for watching.